All right, welcome back from the previous video. So what I did was I was able to go ahead and add on the flipping code to the character. And so I typed that out so you can go ahead and copy it. I'm just going to show you what we added here. We added these two variables here. Well, one is a variable and one is an enum. And basically it's deciding which direction the character is looking based on those numbers we got from the component before, whether it's -1 or +1. Then we create this variable called look, and it is a look direction, which is this enum here. And then as I scroll down, we'll see that we have some more code down here, but it's based off of this check look direction. So this check look direction is this procedure right here. So this is the second new thing that we have, this check new direction, aside from these variables up here at the top. What this check new direction does is it takes this horizontal direction, this one right here, and it feeds it into this check. And so if the horizontal is below 0, then that means we're facing to the left. And as you can see here is look left, or if it's not look left, or if it's not look right. It's checking all of these things, right? And so then it gives it over, depending on what we get back, it's giving it over to this flip directions procedure. This flip direction helper basically takes this look and it's going to, whatever the variable is that it gets, whether it's positive left or positive right, regardless of what it gets, it's going to flip it based on the local scale transform of the object itself. It's going to feed it to this variable only in the X, and then it's going to go ahead and put that to the object's transform. So what you need to do is go ahead and pause the video. Make sure you copy all this stuff down. So you can pause it now, and then when you're done, come down here, pause this part, and then when you're done with that, we want to get rid of this magic number over here. I mean, this magic these magic letters here. We don't really want this hard coded this way per se, so we're gonna put this in as a variable. So I'm gonna go up here and make this a string. And I'll call that h-axis. Yeah. And that will equals horizontal. So I'm going to take this h-axis, replace it here. Then save that. When I'm done with that, because it's already attached, I can go back to my game, hit play. And then what you'll see is as I move my character left or right, he flips. Perfect. So in the next video, I think we should look at how to jump up on this platform. Since he can move left and right, the obvious thing next is to jump. So I'll see you guys in the next video.